welcome to our apartment. In this video, we got shipped away to
a working month in Kuala Lumpur.
Basically a little break from travel to catch up on some work.
Yeah, so in this video, we're gonna show you what $34 per night gets you in the dead center of Kuala Lumpur.
So keep watching.
Yep.
And subscribe if you like this video.
Do it.
As you can see, it's really bright. Even though it's very cloudy outside, because lately Kyle has been super cloudy and stormy, and there's a little bit of sunshine every day, but not that much, so you can imagine how this looks like when there's sun. Great thing is that the apartment is not facing any building actually, so there's a lot of space here, and that's why it has light. And we love natural light for working. It really helps us to focus better. And if you manage to really stick your head out through this window that doesn't even open completely, you can see the Petronas Twin Tower. Apartment with a view. This is the living room, and also this is the place where we eat, because there will be our working table. It's really important for us to have a place for both of us to work, so this was perfect. And these chairs are really comfy. Usually apartments have place for working, but they don't have comfy chairs, and I can confirm that these are great. What's also great is that there's another working table in another room.
So this is really something that we rarely have, and it's such a luxury that I'm not sure when we're gonna have it again. It's two separate working tables with quite comfy chairs and a door in between that we can close, so when we're listening each to our own music while we're working, and we have kind of different tastes, not always, but many times I'm listening to a bit more hardcore music, so it's pumping a lot more. So being away from Ariana in these situations it's a great benefit. So
being away from me like that is a bit mean. This is also the bedroom. This room is usually the brightest because it has like two windows, and just imagine those few days when it was sunshine in the morning. The light coming here was so magical. The room looked amazing. It's very comfy beds, I can confirm that. The pillows weren't the best, but we did ask for another one, so now we have two sets of pillows each. We also have these chairs. They are pretty cool, but the only reason we use them are to store our clothes on it. We did a bit of cleanup before shooting this video, so it's a bit better now. This is the storage closet, but our storage. Also, this is the place for putting your dirty laundry, but we use it for doors not to close because they close otherwise. And just to show you, so this is all of our stuff here. We have gear in these, both of them, and some stuff we don't really use much here. And we have another place. This is where our bags are and some clothes on the hangers. We also have an ironing table and iron here, but we never use that, so this has been here forever and it will stay there. And then our bedroom. Really like how big it is. This has a lot of place for all of our stuff, like it has here, there, and we can both wash our teeth in the same time, which is perfect because usually bedrooms are super small and this one is big, so we do like it. And it has this small mirror. Girls will love that. This window is cool, but usually we have to put it completely down because there are buildings right there, and I think if you take a bath, they can see you right here, and if you're in the bedroom as well. So usually this is completely down. We just put it up now for a bit of light. So this is a dark room in our apartment. And we have a shower here. Bathtub is pretty big, but we haven't really used it that much. We're more of a shower people. And that's it for the bedroom. Watch out. And yeah, there's also a TV there. I always forget to mention TV because we never ever use it. We have one there as well, even bigger one, but it has never been turned on. There here also, this is also some place to store your stuff. We have both fans, which come really in handy, and AC. Here you can put AC and that as well.
So welcome to our kitchen. It's actually amazing. We have everything that we need. We have all the utensils, all the knives, forks, whatever you basically need. You have scissors, you have this can opener. I don't know, there's a bunch of things that we usually don't have in other kitchens. So this is pretty well equipped, I think. We have the kettle, we have a coffee maker, we have a toaster, and there's a bunch of space here, and you can store some stuff here. We still have a few items here that we haven't spent. Luckily, we planned pretty good, so the fridge is basically empty except for 2 carrots and 2 or 3 apples that we're gonna probably finish today as a snack. And there's also a microwave right here. And that's it. Unfortunately, the water here is not drinkable, so we have to buy these, or usually we ordered, I think, a double size than this one. So yeah, there's that. That's all.
So half of the times Matej cooked in the kitchen and half of the times we ordered food. We're usually ordering through Grab.
Yeah.
And we also ordered the groceries as well.
Yeah, we do. It's called GrabMart, and you can order whatever you want from the store, even fresh produce like fruits and veggies and whatever.
Everything. We also ordered ice cream.
Ice cream as well, yeah, because they're pretty fast. It's very, very simple.
So definitely when you come to KUALA or Southeast Asia in general, download Grab because you can do so many things through Grab. So the apartment doesn't have the washing machine, but there is a room of a lot of them in the building. We just have to purchase the little coin and then we go up there to wash our clothes. We're gonna show that in a minute. And if you don't use dryers there, because they have dryers as well, you have in apartment this thing. Drying rack, and then you can dry your stuff here. And this is also super useful because we also dry stuff here as well, especially after the pool. And here is that other TV that I was talking about, pretty big one, but I never noticed it. And more storage for... Why do we keep calling this storage though? These are shelves, but yeah. 23rd floor.
23rd floor. So the elevators here have face recognition, and when you send them a photo, they add you to the system, and then you can use the designated floors. For us, that would be ground floor, 18th floor, and 23rd. Why 18th? 18th is the one that has the gym, pool, and the laundry room. And we're going to the laundry right now. There's the gym, and right here is the laundry. These guys are for washing, these guys are for drying. These are the dryers. We don't use them, we use the drying rack inside.
You can see people have this.
These are the boxes that you use for your dirty laundry. And yeah, we're gonna do some washing now. Let's say this one. Oh, maybe
no.
not. Price one. What?
Oh, no.
Maybe we won't do any washing. What?
What's going on?
Well, guys, we're leaving tomorrow. We're supposed to wash these clothes because we're not sure when we're gonna have the next laundry.
I'm gonna sunbathe now for a shot. Woo! Gotta get that tan. And this is our pool. We're showing you at the perfect time when it's raining. There's no sun at all, but yeah, it's pretty big. Really decent size. We were diving a bit here, swimming. It was amazing. You have sunbeds here and on the side. So if you want to be in shade or you want to be on the sun, although there was not much sun, like I said, but those like 4 days of sunshine, it was perfect for sunbathing. You have this like a small kiddie pool, I would say. I don't know, I'm not sure. And you have a view of Menara Tower. It's Menara, right? Yeah. Okay. And you have a view of Menara Tower. We definitely love that it's a rooftop pool, so it's like more open, you have the view and everything, because the last one we were at was enclosed by the buildings, so you don't always have light. Even when you have a bit of sun, you don't get the light in. So this is definitely much better for us. We prefer this. Yeah. The pool and gym are shared with the hotel though, and here you have entrance to the hotel, and there behind is the entrance for us.
So another great thing is that you have lockers here on the 18th floor. There are showers right here. You have the toilets, it's me. You have sinks here, and right through this door you have the wellness or spa part. There's additional showers right there. There's a sauna room here and a proper one right here. There you go. And there's pools right here.
So for a 1 month stay, we had cleaning included 2 times. Personally, I think 2 times is a bit too little. I would prefer it once per week or 3 times in general. That would be kind of the best. But yeah, we had 2 times. You had to arrange it beforehand. And what I have to say though is that they are really good cleaners here. Usually in Southeast Asia, we had problems with cleanliness of the rooms, but here they really do clean very good. So. And if you really want, you can arrange additional cleaning, but you have to pay for it. I think it's about 10 euros or something like that. So they do everything the same, but like you have to pay.
So welcome to our gym. It's quite well equipped. We have treadmills, we have the weights, we have all kinds of machines for this, for incline bench press and for shoulders right there. You have the bicycles. There's a yoga room right there where you have a bit more of a flat ground where you can exercise, let's say, on the floor and with that Pilates ball. And yeah, that's it. It has everything basically you need. There's water there, which usually is not filled, but yeah.
Although the gym isn't as perfect as it seems because some machines didn't work at all, some were broken, it was pretty dirty, treadmills weren't working at all. They did actually for a bit, like 1 or 2 worked, and then they stopped completely. So here's the tip, if something doesn't work, definitely call the management, tell the host, tell whoever, like bother them a lot to fix the thing. We also did that, and we also wrote this, you have a book where you can write your thoughts. You actually put your names when you visited the gym and all of that, but some people were writing comments as well. So I got really mad that treadmills weren't working at all, so I took and I wrote across like a big part of the book to fix the machines, treadmills are not working and all of that. And then other people saw that as well, and everyone started working, started writing, sorry. It wasn't working for months, fix it, clean the gym and all of that. And guess what? The next day, actually someone came and they fixed them. The tip is just start bothering people. And now Matej will demonstrate a few of his workouts.
How to use the gym.
Let's see.
I haven't been working out in 5 years. It's been 5 years since I worked out. I was quite muscular then. It's nice.
We didn't do much. We tried every day to go for at least like 20 minutes. In the beginning we did that, and then later we just overworked ourselves a bit, and we got way too tired to go to the gym, so we stopped a bit. Yeah.
It is what it is. We did the most we could.
Now I'm not gonna work out, so this is why I'm dressed like this and I have my hair down, because I'm actually super tired and I won't be in the gym. We're just here, so we can film and show you how it looks like. Matej will show you another exercise.
And this machine was also broken at one point. So imagine you have 3 treadmills, of which 3 didn't work. And this didn't work, so yeah, not a fun time. Now just remember, I haven't done this in a long time. So don't judge my form.
Ooh, look at that muscle.
Now come with me to the most manly machine ever.
You guys, this turned out into exercise video, so if you need inspiration for the gym, Matej to the rescue.
Yep. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, down, up, down. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, now go do a few exercises
I
for the wall.
can't. This is too functional for me. Again, I was doing something last time. She was doing something like this. And my lord. Cannot.
I don't think you should be putting your butt up so much, but yeah.
So when you come out this balcony from the gym or the laundry room, that's the view you get.
A shining diamond.
There's the moon right next to the KL Tower.
Oh, that's nice.
Wow. So we mentioned how actually in that center of Kuala Lumpur this is, and you can see from right here, there's the entrance to the Surya KLCC shopping center, which is pretty well known. You can go there for any kinds of shoppings and everything you need. Down there, there's many stores right at the entrance to the building, basically. So yeah, it's very essential. Anything you need is right here. There's a mart down there. There's a mart down there.
There's not really light during the night, so you're basically swimming in the dark, which is still fine. But yeah, I was expecting that at least the pool inside will be lit up like it is at some places, but yeah, it's just dark. And by the way, this is what we've been talking about. So you have this thing open, and there's a lady on the balcony that can completely see me in the bathtub. Now imagine if I'm actually taking a bath with her there. That would be so weird. And you can see that usually nobody actually takes this off because the window is really dirty, this part. Of course, we're filming the last day, the day before Oh! And the storm is coming, same as every day in the afternoon. But yeah, anyways, what I was saying, we're filming this the last day before we leave this apartment, as usual, so...